I think that the one good thing the Open House is very, very good for is showing off Fanuc products. And one thing that's key, especially in our industry, is how quick technology moves on. So even kind of industry experts will still learn something.
Yeah, so I'll be at the Open House showing off the Robopod, showing off what it can do, along with my colleagues as well. And we hope for everyone to come and have a look, you know, get outside, come here to the Fanuc Open House, see our Robopod in action, and just really get a feel for it up close and personal.
If you didn't get a chance to come and see us at EMO, this is a great opportunity to come and see our newest Delta robot in action. And have a look at some of the intelligent robot options which are interfaced with it.
The Open House is about the future of automation. The Fanuc products, you know, they speak for themselves in the number of installations, but what we're going to be showing are some of the machine handling and automation systems that are in the market, from the very entry level right through to the bespoke custom cells.
So our Open House event will run from the 1st to the 5th of November, that's Monday to Friday. The Monday and Friday are going to be open days, so you can look around our exhibitions, our showroom area, and then the Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be more focused, and this area that we're in at the moment is going to be transformed into our main stage, so you'll be able to see keynote speeches, panel discussions. We'll have people such as Tom Boucher, our Managing Director, we'll have Mike Sykes from Mazak, various members from the MTC on our stage speaking about the future of automation. So the Tuesday we're going to have a much bigger focus on automation and the outlook of UK manufacturing. On the Wednesday we'll be focusing on business training apprenticeships. So we'll have our PTS team, our parts training and service department will be available for you to speak to. And then on the Thursday we're going to have a focus on Industry 4.0 and IoT. So if you're interested in the future of automation, then this event can't be missed.